posibleng. Biyan sa tamang makiramdam, karang tamang teachers, dahil tila naman nengarap lang kawanis tamo.
Lord, dear Principal, and Mr. Pascual, I have the privilege to present to you the candidates for completion composed of 57 males and 50 females with a total of 107 kindergarten pupils of Santa Rosaria Elementary School year 2023-2024. I have certified that they are satisfactorily completed all the requirements for kindergarten curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education.
By the authority vested in me as the Principal of Santa Rosario Elementary School, after satisfactorily completed the prescribed requirements in the kindergarten curriculum by the Department of Education for the batch of school year 2023-2024, I now confirm you the completers of Santa Rosario Elementary School batch 2024. Congratulations! Mga anak ng Santa Rosario. Rodriguez, Ken, Kepler, R.
Another budding mathematician awardee from Kinder Tolentino, Rodriguez, Ken, Kepler, R. Mula sa Kinder Tolentino, ang World River awardee, Apa Princess Aliyah Faye, R. Susundan ang ating panauhing pandangal. Maraming salamat po, Miss Gracia Andonofre, ang ating punong guro na si Ma'am Rose, ang SRS, faculty ng mga completers.
Teacher, picture daw po siya, teacher. Hindi mo na teacher, bigay mo. Picture kayo. Sabi ka talapit ka karela. Pakita mo tayo yung ano po. Pakita mo ka no. Yan na lang. Patingin. Patingin daw, patingin. Bari mo na yan. Ano? Patingin, patingin ako. Mas maganda yung sa kanta mo ito. Mas maganda yan. Sino bumili? Na?
Ninang.
Ninang, sinong ninang yun?
Hindi ko alam. Marites.
Ninang Joy yun?
Ninang Joy.
subscribe